Clinton. How are you doing this morning, boy? Are you mad? Are you angry? What are you so mad about, Mr. Clinton? Why are you so mad? That is such an angry little meow. Oh, now you're interrupting too. You want to be pet, Mr. Clinton? Oh, you just want to be pet. That's what it is. You just want to be pet. See, you just want to be pet. You're such a good little Clinton. Clinton. You're such a good boy.